Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Steam account credentials, and a smartphone with the Steam app installed. Open the Steam mobile app and sign in with your email and password. This links your device. Once signed in, allow notifications and camera access if prompted, because the app uses them for codes and account recovery. Make sure your phone clock is set to automatic time. Incorrect time can break codes. Now tap the menu and select Steam Guard to start adding the authenticator. You now add the authenticator. In Steam Guard, pick Add Authenticator and follow on-screen prompts. Enter or confirm your phone number, then wait for an SMS verification code. Input that code to prove ownership. Once accepted, Steam shows a recovery code. Write down the 64-character code offline or store it in a password manager, since it's essential if you lose the app. Make sure you understand trade hold implications for market items. The authenticator reduces holds, but setup steps may temporarily finish by testing the authenticator. Sign out of Steam and sign back in, then enter the 5-digit code shown in the mobile app. This proves everything is synced. Once confirmed, back up the recovery code and keep your phone secure to avoid lockouts, and consider adding an alternate phone number on your account. If codes fail, first check your phone's time settings, then force close or reinstall the app. If problems persist, use the recovery code to regain access and contact Steam support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.